and just north of Antarctica. We have temporarily lost our television signal through the tracking data relay satellite system. We should be regaining that signal here in just a minute or two.
Final approach, 1-2. Copy. Please continue reporting because we have a dropout of the video since there are com dropouts. 27 meters, 0.6 target nominal. Copy. Systems nominal. Copy. We selected wide angle. It's more convenient for us. It's more convenient both for measurement and monitoring.
Again, flight directors Bob Dempsey and Dina Cantella at the helm here in the Houston Control Center.
But we do not see the change of data, so please continue reporting. Yes, of course. That's 24 meters, 0.5 target nominal. Systems nominal. Copy. 24 meters, range rate 0.5, systems nominal.
And here's a look at the ATV Control Center in Toulouse, France.
Now we see the image. Please continue reporting. Arrival to S4. Reminder, the range of station keeping is 19 meters. At 14 meters on MCC go, escape must be issued. Yes, we remember and copy all. 22 meters. 0.6 target nominal. Systems nominal. Copy. 22 meters, range rate 0.6, systems nominal. Meters, 0.9, target nominal. Systems nominal. Copy.
And just short of 9:36 a.m., Johannes Kepler arriving at the 20-meter hold point, awaiting final clearance for the last stages of the rendezvous to the International Space Station. And we're about approximately 24 minutes out from the planned docking at this point, which was delayed by some reconfiguration of video systems needed to track the ATV's arrival.
0203, target nominal. Systems nominal. Copy. Monitor the initialization of physical station keeping.
The remote interface officer here in Mission Control just reporting to Flight Director Bob Dempsey that Johannes Kepler is at its S4 hold point, 20 meters out from the International Space Station. Be standing by here for about 15 minutes before giving the go to move to the next hold point, which will be about 12 meters out.
Continue monitoring station. Right now we need to monitor 50-degree corridor and also monitoring the data. 19 meters. GNC mode so far is final approach 1-2. Copy. 19 meters, range rate, 0, target nominal. Systems nominal. Copy. 19 meters, 0, and systems nominal.
Crew and flight controllers monitoring carefully the 50-degree corridor that the ATV needs to stay in. That's 50 degrees out, 25 degrees each side from a line projecting directly out from the center of the Zvezda Service Module docking port. Everything looking good. ATV holding steady at just under 20 meters out with a 0 approach rate at this point. Again, Johannes Kepler, the ATV-2, is carrying a total of 7 tons of cargo. Inside the pressurized equipment bay, it's carrying about 3,500 pounds of cargo for use by the station crews. About 3,000 pounds of that is NASA cargo, and 600 pounds is European Space Agency cargo. About 210 pounds of research equipment and supplies, 1,300 pounds of hardware components and spare parts, 1,400 pounds of crew supplies, 100 pounds of laptop computers and related equipment, and 60 pounds of spacewalk equipment. Johannes Kepler also scheduled to be delivering 220 pounds of gaseous oxygen that the astronauts can release directly into the station to supplement the oxygen generated by its regenerative life support systems that produce oxygen from reclaimed water. In addition, this vehicle is bringing about 2,200 pounds of fuel that can be transferred for use by the station's own thrusters once it's connected up to the plumbing system after docking. That's only about a third of the load of fuel, though. 2/3 of it's going to stay in the tanks on the Johannes Kepler. About 10,700 pounds of propellant will be used to reboost the station, actually move it up to its planned normal operating altitude of 400 kilometers. Key reason for moving the station to that altitude is to save propellant over the long term. Right now, the station uses about 19,000 pounds of propellant a year to maintain a consistent orbit at 220 miles up. By raising the altitude slightly to about 248 miles, it'll drop the propellant usage down to about 8,000 pounds a year. And of course, not having to deliver all that fuel means additional cargo that can be brought up by other cargo vehicles, such as Progress resupply vehicles, Japanese H2 transfer vehicle, and future automated transfer vehicles. Johannes Kepler now 6 minutes away from resuming its approach to the International Space Station. Again, we're aiming for a docking at 10 a.m. Central Time, about 17 minutes from now.
Command to activate the narrow angle of the TV camera. Copy, selecting narrow angle.
Yes.
That is complete.
Принято, контролируем
Copy.
узкого угла.
We are monitoring the selection of the narrow angle.
Девятнадцать
19 meters, range rate 0, station keeping.
Продолжаем контролировать.
Copy.
Ждем
Proceed with monitoring station keeping.
на выдачу команды.
Wait, you are now standing by for MCC go to start mounting. Yes, systems are normal.
Да, контролируем.
Yes, speaking simultaneously.
Принято, контролируем РД, наличие РДС радио.
Monitor the maneuver to align with the docking port.
ATV совершает разворот.
ATV is in the process of maneuver to align with the docking port of the ISS. Copy.
Так, теперь мы уже в DEP находимся.
Okay, now we're in DV3.
Ориентация DEP, на стыковочного узла.
The attitude is DAP, alignment with the docking port. We switch to narrow angle. Monitor the target position within a 4-degree corridor.
Контролируем.
Confirmed.
Земли на наше
We are waiting for confirmation from the ground.
подтверждение Земли на наше решение не требуется.
Okay, we do not need MCC go for our decision.